my nails all ready to go. I did a builder refill on them, so if you'd like to know how I do that, I did film it, so I will be posting that at some point. But yeah, we're just gonna paint them today. I think I'm gonna do blue and white like marble design with blooming gel, so it should be a good one. I'm gonna do a milky white base on all of them. I'm using C&D Shellac. This is in White Wedding. And then for the blue, I have options. So I don't know which ones I'm gonna go for, but those are all just Beetles gel polish from Amazon. And then same with the white. The blooming gel I use is the Gelish blooming gel. And this is the top coat I use. It's a stain resistant top coat, so super, super good. And I have this little palette for the polishes and some brushes. Brush like this is definitely going to be needed for the marble design. All ready to paint. I'm going to use White Wedding, 2 coats of this. I'm going to start painting my right hand first just because it takes a lot longer. I got the base done. Now I'm going to go through and pick out the blues that I want to use. I think I picked the blues I want to go with. Put them on my little palette. Just some blobs with all the colors that I want. Go in with a dotting tool and just kind of swirl them around. That's what we're working with. I like to use a flat brush like this. I'm gonna pick up the polish and then lay it on the nail. For the marble, I like to do a layer of blooming gel and then put the color on top of it just to help it blend and spread out more. And we're gonna pick up some color, just like that, and then place it on the nail. Then I just like to wait a little while for it to bloom out. And make sure you clean up the sides if you got any on your skin, of course. Sometimes I use a little liner brush if I didn't get very close to the edge, just to fill that in with some of the blue. And then it's ready to go in the light. We've got one done. Now to do the rest of them. Okay, I got the blue on all of them. I think I want to add silver accents, so I'm probably gonna do silver chrome. So as always, start with a matte top coat, cure it, buff them, and then I'll go in with black where I want the silver chrome to be. Matte is cured, time to buff them. Just gonna put a little bit of black on here. Small liner brush. Added some black details, gonna cure this and then get the chrome out. Gonna go in with my top coat now. just finished both hands. I'm really loving the blues. I think they look so good. Well, that is all for today, so make sure to check out my other videos. I've done a few other nail art designs, and I'm going to be doing a builder gel tutorial soon, so stay tuned for that.